To Cash Bill.com API Integration Guide. Follow these steps. First, understand the basics of Bill.com API and caching. Bill.com API is a payment platform that allows users to manage payments and invoices. Caching is a technique used to store frequently accessed data in memory to reduce the number of requests made to the API. Step 1. Set up your Bill.com API credentials. Create an account on Bill.com and generate an API key in secret. These credentials will be used to authenticate your API requests. Next, choose a caching method. There are two common methods: in-memory caching and database caching. In-memory caching stores data in the application memory, while database caching stores data in a database. Step 2. Implement caching in your application. Use a caching library or framework to handle caching logic. For example, you can use Redis or Memcached for in-memory caching, or a database like MySQL for database caching. When making an API request to Bill.com, check if the data is already cached. If it is, return the cached data instead of making a new request. Step 3. Handle cache expiration and invalidation. Set a time to live for your cached data to ensure it expires after a certain period. This will prevent stale data from being returned. Also, implement cache invalidation to remove cached data when it is updated or deleted. For example, when a payment is updated, remove the cached payment data to ensure the latest data is returned. Step 4. Test and monitor your caching implementation. Test your caching logic to ensure it is working correctly. Monitor your application performance to see the impact of caching on reducing API requests and improving response times. Use analytics tools to track cache hits and misses, and adjust your caching strategy accordingly. Best practices for caching. Bill.com API integration include using a caching layer to reduce the number of requests made to the API, handling cache expiration and invalidation to ensure data freshness, and monitoring application performance to optimize caching strategy. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively cache. Bill.com API integration and improve the performance and scalability of your application.